Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks a lot for your constant love and support. So many of you guys had asked me to make a video on fondant. So here's a video on it. But I being a vegetarian, I'll be showing you this recipe with Agar-Agar, which is a vegetarian substitute for gelatin. And I also do want to tell you a truth behind this recipe. So keep watching this video till the end to know the truth behind this homemade vegan fondant with Agar-Agar. And one more thing guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, did you see the difference between the two fondants? The homemade one is not at all stretchy, not at all flexible, and not even that white in color. But you can use this fondant for some other decorations like making toppers and all. And guys, I have done many trial and error on this recipe with Agar-Agar, but I couldn't get a stretchy texture from it. But you can use marshmallows or gelatin to get a proper stretchy texture. But then this fondant won't be a fondant for the vegetarians. So I always buy a ready-made fondant as it has many other ingredients which we cannot find in the market. So if you guys want to buy a ready-made fondant, I'll be providing a link in the description box. And lastly, do let me know in the comment section below whoever agrees with me and with this truth of homemade fondants with Agar-Agar. And do check out and follow my Instagram and Facebook page, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.